In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a window capture using OBS Studio. This is an essential skill if you're planning to create compelling video content by sharing specific applications or browser windows with your audience. Whether you're live streaming, recording tutorials, or just looking to share your screen effectively, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First and foremost, you're going to need to open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't already installed OBS, you can easily download it from the official OBS website. Once installed, launch the program. At this point, you should see a fairly basic layout, but don't worry if it all feels a little unfamiliar. OBS Studio, while powerful, is user-friendly once you know your way around. Now direct your attention to the bottom section of the screen where you'll see a box labeled Sources. This area allows you to define what visual elements OBS will capture and stream or record. To start capturing a particular window, we need to click the little plus sign or the plus icon located inside this Sources box. This action will prompt a list of different capture options to drop down. From the list of options that appears, go ahead and select Window Capture. This feature is precisely what allows OBS to focus on individual application windows or specific browser screens, as opposed to capturing your entire display. You'll be asked to name this new source. It's often helpful to name it after the application you're intending to capture, for example, browser or video player. Once you've decided on a name, click OK. At this stage, you will be taken to another window, an opportunity to finely tune your capture settings. Here you'll see a drop-down menu listing all currently open application windows. It's important that the particular window you want to capture is already open and running on your computer. Otherwise, it won't appear in the list. Go ahead and select the desired window. You'll observe a small preview of the window within OBS. This helps make sure you've selected the right one. If everything looks correct, hit OK to save your settings. With that done, you've essentially completed the process. To ensure your window capture is working properly, glance back at the main OBS interface. Your selected window should now be visible in the central preview area, framed and ready to be streamed or recorded just the way you set it up. And that's it. With those simple steps, you've set up a window capture in OBS Studio. Remember to double-check that the window you want to display isn't minimized during streaming or recording, as that could affect what gets captured. In our next videos, we'll explore some further tweaks and tips to optimize your OBS experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy capturing.